Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Black and Tan is 2 parts beer, pale ale and stout. If poured correctly, a Black and Tan creates a beautifully layered beer cocktail of stout, usually Guinness, atop a layer of pale ale, usually base ale. 0.25 February 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The layering of a Black and Tan, that is the dark stout floating above the lighter beer, is said to be common only in American bars. When you begin drinking, the beers will mix anyway, so some places choose to let them mix as they are poured. 19 October 2000.
Take our lead.
Pour the Blue Moon into a pint glass, filling it halfway. Float the Guinness on top to fill the glass, by slowly pouring it over a bar spoon, or Black and Tan spoon, over the Blue Moon. Serve and enjoy. The 22nd of December 2020.
Take our lead.
In Canada and the United States, Black and Tan refers to Guinness and a lager or ale that will support the Guinness, most commonly base ale, although some Irish-themed bars shun the term for its association with the Royal Irish Constabulary's Black and Tans force. A half and half is Guinness and Harp.
Take our lead.
For example, when was the last time you heard of someone walk up to a bar and ask for a brown split, half bitter and half brown ale, a Boilermaker, a pint of bitter with a shot of whiskey or vodka, or a black velvet stout, and it should be champagne or a sparkling wine, but in our case it was only cider. 21 March 2012.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.